Welcome back to the Worlds of J. Homer on 11/21/20 with fresh ink. Just finished up a couple hours ago. This is called Blizzard of Wizards. In a blizzard of wizards, escorted by lizards of assorted types, to the sound of pipes, they proclaim their rage as if on the stage, while all their worries came up in flurries, as if snow were piled upon, resolved to carry on, while all that was left was took like a theft. Still the wizards would rise, disbelief in their eyes, for they could not advance, blocked by more than just chance. Though what had blocked their way, in no way could they say. Then one by one they turned and went, not even knowing they had been sent away. Thank you. J. Homer. Blizzard of Wizards. Escorted by lizards.